Good morning, students. Myself Satish Srivastava. Today I am explaining chapter number 2, Living and Growing Differently. So, student, today our chapter is based on plants. Okay. So, student, there are two types of plant in our earth. Okay. First terrestrial and second aquatic. First terrestrial plant, second aquatic plant. So what is the means of terrestrial and what is the means of aquatic? Terrestrial means those plants are mainly grow in a land, means surface of earth. And aquatic means those plants are growing in plant. The aquatic plants are grows in water. Okay. So, small definition: the plants are found all over the earth. It's true. The earth is divided. The earth is divided into two parts. Okay, land and water. 70% of water and 30% earth. Okay. So our earth divided into two parts, land and water. Okay. Such as plant also. Plant also divided into mainly two parts. First, terrestrial. Terrestrial means those plants are grows in surface of the earth, means land. Okay. And aquatic means those plants grow in water, underwater, या floating water, any type of water are aquatic plant. Okay. So first I take terrestrial plant. There are 3 or 4 different types of aquatic terrestrial plants. Coniferous tree grows on hills and mountains. First type of coniferous trees. Okay. So coniferous tree grows on hills and mountains. They do not have much space to spread out, so they grow tall and thin to catch enough sunlight. You have seen the space. There are no space in one plant to other plant and one tree to other. Okay, so they take race for reaching the height and what, get sunlight, because you know photosynthesis, without sunlight your photosynthesis process is not completed, and photosynthesis process is for making food for plant na? So they grow tall and thin to catch sunlight. These trees are concept. Concept means, you know, cone. Their shape is like a cone. So these type of trees are coniferous trees. Okay. They have sloping branch. All this help to snow to slide off easily. And second thing, if ice fall, if snow fall, the snow slope and down. Okay. So these structure is very helpful for safe for snowfall. Okay, students. They leave a light thick needle with very few stomata. Leaves like, okay. So what difference between, okay, this type of leaves are found in our terrestrial plant. Those who have in a smooth surface, and these type of leaves are found in hilly areas. Means what hilly areas? There are snowfall, so snow it not remain in lamina, and this type of leaf jam the snow. Okay, so these structure are very helpful to save any type of harm of snowfall and less transpiration of water. So student, they are waterproof to be able to stand the cold and waterproof. These in coniferous trees leaves are waterproof. Waterproof means they are not decay in snowfall या rainfall. Okay student, means hilly area like Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, like Sikkim, there are heavy rainfall and snowfall also. So these type of structure, these type of modification are adaptation to save these type of trees. Okay students, this means they no shed all their leaves at once. A few leaves are lost every year. Shed means lost of the leaves. Okay, they lost few leaves. Okay, new ones keep growing to replace them. New ones means old leaves are shed and new leaves are comes out. Okay, they do not have flowers. In coniferous tree have no flower. In place of flower, cones. Okay, flower would not be able to stand the extreme cold. Means in extreme cold is very cold. So flower is decay. In place of hilly areas means mountainy areas, snowy areas, in place of the flowers in trees, we found cones. Okay, you have seen fir with cone. You have seen this picture, student. This is the coniferous tree, a jungle of coniferous tree, and this is fir with cone. Okay, students. Once the seeds are scattered and the cones are empty, they are set from the tree. Cones, okay, like cones. Seeds are scattered means seeds are spread anywhere. The cones are set down. Okay, you can find many cones lying under conifer tree, like a summer season under the mango tree. The ripe mango are lifted by the plant tree, and the uh, good mangoes, those who are eatable, are down from. You seen there are a lot of mango spread down of the tree. Okay, so these type of processing are everywhere because a gravitational force are worked. Okay, second, the second type, trees growing in the plains means first coniferous means those who are found in hilly areas. Okay, second type, these type of plants and trees are found in plains area. Okay, so trees growing in the plains have more space to spread out. They have flat leaves. Flat leaf means these type of leaves. These type leaves are found in plains areas. Okay, these help water vapor to evaporate and keep tree cool when it is hot. Flat leaf also help the trap of sunlight. You have seen a tree on plants means our areas like Dindori, Mandla means plain surface. Okay, so you have seen a flat, broad leaves. These types of leaves are found in plains areas. So students, all of you note down all important things. Which type of leaves are found in hilly areas, which type of leaves are found in plains areas. Okay, and what is the work of the leaves? Trap the sunlight, and leaves are the kitchen of plants. Okay, the photosynthesis process is completed in leaf. Okay, so student, all of you note down everything. First, some of these trees lose all their leaves at once. What is difference between the plains area trees and what is the difference between the hilly area trees? Means hilly area trees are shed their leaves at a time, and hilly areas trees shed their leaves not at once. They shed the leaves one by one. Means old leaves are out and new ones come. Okay. In some areas of the plant, the climate is hot and wet. Here the tree do not shed their leaf at once. Okay. Third one, rainforest. In some areas, it rain all throughout the year. Means whole year the rains is fall. Okay. So plants grow throughout the year. Such places have turned into dense green forest with tall trees. They are called rainforest. You saying this picture are belong to rainforest. Okay, means whole year rains fall, and these type of rainforests are found in our India, like Sikkim, Nagaland, Assam, Mizoram, means Mosindram, Cherrapunji. These area have whole year rain. Okay, so student, this type of forest are rainforest. Okay. D number, many other plants also grow in the plains. Most cereals, fruit, vegetables, and other crops are grown in the plains according to the season. Means your cereals, means your crops are also important. And here you found crops, the plains area, na? You not cultivate the crops in the hilly areas. In hilly areas, step farming. Okay, if you want to see the step farming, so you will go like Himachal Pradesh, Kedarnath, okay, Uttarakhand, because in their states have less plain area. So they, means our farmers, our Indians are very genius. They sort out their problems, how to survive where they live. Okay, so they modify their crop cultivation. Okay, so students, the wheat crop in winter is ready for harvesting by the beginning of summer. Okay, means November, October, November, we put grains of the wheat in soil, and March, April, we cut the our crop and harvest. Okay, so these process as a cycle continuing running. So student, all of you listen, complete your work. If any doubt, chapter first is completed, chapter second is going on. If you are not complete your work, you are left from the other student. Okay students, because your quarterly exams are near. So student, all of you read, write and complete your work. If you have any doubt, any problem, you tell me, I will sort out your problem. Have a nice day. Thank you.